Are you struggling with hair loss or thinning? Don't worry. Dr. Paul's Advanced Hair and Skin Solutions has the perfect solution for you. Exosome Hair Treatment, a non-surgical procedure that uses cutting-edge exosomes to promote hair growth and reduce hair loss. Experience a range of benefits with Exosome Hair Treatment. Promotes natural hair growth, reduces hair loss, improves hair quality, requires minimal downtime, safe and highly effective. Visible and long-lasting results. Exosome Hair Treatment comes in several forms, including platelet-rich plasma, PRP, microneedling, hair transplant surgery, medications. At Dr. Paul's, we offer the latest and most effective treatments to give you the best results. Take advantage of our special introductory offer, 20% off on Exosome Hair Treatments, Dr. Paul's Advanced Hair and Skin Solutions. Contact us now to schedule your consultation and learn how Exosome Hair Treatment can work for you.